Guys, what's up? Something a little different today. I'll be making some garlic herb butter, which I can use to make any meal I want to make, also my veggies. So I will drop my ingredients in the description box. A lot of persons, including myself, I used to purchase this in the store, but I made this from scratch for myself. Parsley, oregano, rosemary, garlic. I do this all for myself. So I'll be using some vegan butter. And I am using earth balance, and my butter is now at room temperature. So I start to cut my greens, and you want to chop them as small as you want, or if you want, you can grind them, blend, whatever you choose. I use lots of garlic, but in this I will be glazing my garlic. So I'll be adding my garlic on the stove to get a little color. Yes, I did that. So I added a little avocado oil, and then once they started to change color, I added it to my room temperature butter. I will not be using any salt in this because I'm not sure if I'll be adding this on a meal that is already seasoned. So I use some Parmesan cheese, I use a little oregano, I use a little parsley, a little black pepper, and I did also use some powdered garlic. You can use this on your toast. You can use it to cook salmon. You can use it to prepare chicken. I used a little basil, and I just combine everything together. Once done, you will need to add in a saran wrap and add it to your freezer to freeze for at least a 2 hour. This is really nice on your toast. You can have it on crackers. It's almost something like hummus. You can make it yourself. You don't have to purchase it in the store. So I get my saran wrap once done, and I just add it to this. Put everything in my freezer. This is just a quick, easy video. Please remember, once you watch the video, to like the video. Some garlic herb butter that I made from scratch. Here it is after it's frozen. It's not even 2 hours, but I still cut it to show you. Thank you.